How to turn flashlight on Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn on flashlight on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first step to follow to turn on flashlight is simply you can easily swipe from top to down in this way and bring the shortcut menu section where you can simply see the flashlight. You can tap on flashlight and turn it on. To turn it back, you can tap it once again and the flashlight will be turned off again. So if you don't find here, you can easily swipe and locate the flashlight icon, or you can also tap on the three dots at top right and you can tap edit tiles and you can get under more functions the flashlight icon as well, and you can easily add on this added tiles. So this was the first step to turn the flashlight on. The second is simply you need to open the settings first of all and then go to simply locate additional settings options from the settings bar. And here you need to tap on gestures and motions. And here at the bottom you will see the option to turn on or off flashlight with volume button. So if it is turned off, you need to tap on the button and turn it on. So when the screen is off, press and hold the volume down button to turn the flashlight on or off. This function is not available during media playback. So when the screen is off, you can easily press and hold your volume down button and turn on flashlight. So that was the two ways in order to turn the flashlight on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.